we're gonna make griot.
Suck peze, my family. So for today's video, we're gonna be using jackfruit, guys. Yes, we're gonna be using jackfruit to create fried pork, which is griot in Haitian. All right, guys. So first, get your jackfruit ready. All right, we're gonna use some sour orange and some lime juice, guys. Squeeze that all in there. What we normally do is use this to wash the pork, but we're not gonna be doing that because we're vegan. All right, guys. So we're gonna leave that juice in there to lock in the flavor. All right, guys. So just mix it up, let it marinate a little bit. All right. Get you some fresh thyme, guys, so we can add into this beautiful recipe. Alright, guys, so I got my own special pork seasoning that I'm gonna be adding in this recipe to mimic griot, guys. It's a Haitian tradition. Alright, so we're gonna add some cornstarch to our jackfruit so that when we fry it, it could come out just like pork, guys. Alright, so marinate it and fold it back and forth. Remember, don't break your jackfruit because you need it to stay intact. Alright, so I'm gonna add some liquid sauce, which is some browning, which is brown sugar, just to give it that extra flavor. And we're gonna fold again nice and softly so that it doesn't fall apart. You already know I gotta add that epis, guys. Without epis, it's just not right, alright? As you can see, I went and got some more thyme to give it that extra flavor. And remember, we're gonna fold this recipe, guys. Fold it nice and softly because you do not want your jackfruit to break apart. We want it to stay intact, so we are mimicking fried pork, which is griot in Haitian. Sac peze. Alright, family, so off screen I noticed that I needed some more orange tang in that griot. Alright, so guys, we're gonna add that in, marinate it for 20 minutes. Now fry, and fry. Guys, wait till you see how this come out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, family, you cannot tell me that this does not look like fried pork, aka griot in our Haitian language, guys. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do in this next step is get you some paper towel. Alright, guys, because now we're gonna begin to make our fried plantains. Alright, guys, so I'm marinating in some Himalayan salt and some water, and I'm gonna pat it down in this paper towel, and I'm gonna throw it into the fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes so it could get a little soft, so I could flatten it and refry it again. And if you don't have a presser, guys, you could use the back of any bottle or anything to just flatten it nicely, and then just put them to the side and flatten the rest and throw it into the fryer for about 5 to 8 minutes until golden brown.